we guide you through how to approve message group requests. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Facebook Messenger app on your phone or computer and make sure you are logged in into the account where you manage the group. Next, go to the chat screen and tap on your group conversation or look for the group request icon, usually found under message request or inside the group settings if you are an admin. Once inside, tap the group name at the top to open your group details, then scroll down and select Member Request or Group Request. Here, you will see a list of people waiting for approval to join your group. Simply tap on each profile, review if needed, and press Approve or Add next to their name to let them join instantly. If you want faster control, you can also enable automatic approval in group settings depending on your group type.